Now, there's some common misconceptions about this, that you need to be some type of coder or be good with technology to use messenger bots. The great thing is there's no coding required. If you can type your name on a computer, you can use messenger bots. Bots sound complex and expensive. Actually, you can create messenger bots for free, and I'm going to show you how, and you can keep it very simple. Now, some people think that they don't need a customer support bubble on their web page, and that's the thing. Bots can do so much more. They can do broadcasts, automated sequences, conversational flows, and a whole lot more. Now, you might think, well, aren't there some rules about selling products through bots after 24 hours? Yes, that is in fact true. The first touch messages can't include any kind of offer or promotion. Any messages after that can. So, how do we get around that? Very simply, we send them a first bot message that says, "Hi there, first name. For our Black Friday deal, we're going to be giving away massive deals on all of my courses and products. Would you like to know the details and lock in your savings?" You can see most of the people clicked yes. So now we can go and send them some more information about the Black Friday sale that we're having. We also give them the option to unsubscribe. If they don't want to hear from us, they can just simply hit unsubscribe and no one's going to get spammed or reported for bad behavior. So, how do we create a messenger bot for free? Simple. Go over to ManyChat. It is super simple and easy to use. It's 100% drag and drop, and there's no coding required. All you need is a Facebook business page and a free ManyChat account. Simply log in, choose what type of message you want to create, and there's different types. We can do broadcasts, we can set up automations and sequences, we can set up entire workflows, we can even step in at any point and engage in live chat with anyone who's engaging with our messenger bot. And it's super simple. All you have to do is type in what you want and create your message. There's no coding required. You can customize your message to match your brand and style. And you can do a lot more, or you can keep it simple. You can add things like text blocks, images, videos, file links, as well as buttons for people to click on. So essentially, all you have to do is push send, and you're done. It really is that easy. So let's just talk about some messenger bot best practices. First off, you want to ask for permission to sell and tell them about your offer. You want to also tell them how to unsubscribe so you stay compliant. And don't be afraid of using emojis and having a little bit of fun. Go ahead and let your brand voice and your personality shine through. Don't send any more than 3 broadcasts per week. 1 to 2 is about the sweet spot for broadcasting. Now, there's 5 steps to success in 2021 and beyond. First off is you want to identify and find your customer. Second, you want to get their attention. 3, you want to build relationship with them. 4, you want to follow up with them. And 5, you want to close the sale. And the nice thing is, bots can step in and handle steps 3, 4, and 5 all for you. Now let's look at some examples here. Tanner went and created 3,000 leads for his business at $1 per lead. He spent $3,000 and got 3,000 potential buyers. How awesome is that? He's since gone on to scale his business to $135K per month in just 8 months. And he set a goal for himself to grow that up to $200,000 a month. Is that awesome or what? So what type of clients is this right for? This works for brick and mortar businesses, product-based businesses, network marketing and direct sales, local businesses, real estate, e-commerce, authors, speakers and consultants, restaurants, marketing agencies, course creators, photographers, gyms and studios, pet stores, coaches and consultants, health and fitness, and even practitioners like doctors, chiropractors, and counselors. Messenger marketing is no longer optional for this year and the years to come. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity and your opportunity to explode your business.